The key deer, a captivating and diminutive member of the cervid family, holds the distinction of being the smallest subspecies of white-tailed deer found anywhere in North America. Confined exclusively to the enchanting yet fragile ecosystem of the Florida Keys, this unique subspecies has captivated scientists, conservationists, and nature enthusiasts alike with its remarkable adaptations and precarious existence. Its diminutive stature, coupled with its gentle nature and striking appearance, makes it a truly remarkable creature. Adult key deer exhibit a significantly smaller size compared to their mainland counterparts. Bucks males typically weigh between 55 and 80 pounds, standing a mere 28 to 32 inches tall at the shoulder, while females are even smaller, weighing 45 to 65 pounds and reaching heights of 24 to 28 inches. Their coat is a subtle blend of light to dark brown hues, complemented by a stark white underbelly and a distinctive black snout. The bucks proudly display antlers annually, a testament to their masculinity, though these impressive adornments are shed between February and March, only to be regrown by June, a cyclical process reflecting the rhythm of the seasons. The key deer's habitat is as unique as the deer themselves. They inhabit a diverse range of environments within their limited geographic range, demonstrating remarkable adaptability. Their home encompasses pine rocklands, hardwood hammocks, lush mangrove forests, and the tranquil embrace of freshwater wetlands. These diverse habitats provide a mosaic of resources essential for their survival, offering food, shelter, and breeding grounds. However, the very limited nature of their range makes them exceptionally vulnerable to environmental pressures and human impacts. Pine rocklands, in particular, hold a significant place in the key deer's habitat, providing crucial access to freshwater sources, a life-sustaining resource in this otherwise saline environment. The key deer's diet is as varied as its habitat, reflecting its opportunistic foraging behavior. They consume a remarkable array of over 160 plant species, demonstrating a remarkable ability to exploit the available resources within their environment. Their menu includes a variety of mangroves, red, black, and white, along with the nutritious berries of the thatch palm. Remarkably, they are often observed foraging in residential and commercial areas, demonstrating a certain degree of adaptability to human presence, though this proximity to human activity also presents significant risks. Their ability to swim with ease between the islands of the archipelago is a testament to their adaptability to this unique island environment. They are most active during the twilight hours, exhibiting a crepuscular activity pattern, likely an adaptation to avoid the intense heat of the midday sun.